Ok, taisez-vous, écoutez et regardez attentivement. Il ne faut pas parler. D'accord? Il faut écouter. Sans parler. Donc, I hope you can see my screen.
Yes, sir.
Ok, donc discutons ces expressions bon, bon, bon et bon. Kofi est bon. I think the mid semester also we saw something like that where the Kofi est bon can mean what Kofi is good. Ama est bon. Ama, you say there is a family form. Ama is good. Sont bon. That is a plural form. No, I was saying for adjectives in French, you need to add s. It's not like in English where you say that Kwame are intelligent or are good without adding any s to the plural form of the adjective in English. But in French, we need to add. We need to add. So that's why we should take note of. We need to add it. So you can see that Ama est bon. That is a feminine form with the N-E. And then Kofi est Kwame sont bon. The singular form is bon. B-O-N. But when it comes to the plural form, you add S to it. Can you all see that? And when you have masculine, feminine, Kofi et Ama sont bon. Also, you add S to the masculine plural form of it. That is to say that you have masculine and feminine form. Masculine plural form of the adjective. Mais ici, Ama et Adjoa sont bons. Ama and Adjoa are good. So you add S to it. But when it comes to ES, N-A-S, that the feminine form is Ama et bon. You can see. But Ama et Adjoa sont bons. You add E-N-S, E-N-E-S, il faut ajouter ça. Mais ici, bon voyage, bon anniversaire, bon Pâques, bon appétit, different usage. Bon voyage is what does it mean? Bon voyage, we did that when we were discussing greetings and wishes. Greetings and wishes, salutations et souhaits, when we were discussing that. Bon voyage, cela veut dire quoi? Don't forget, we did that.
Safe journey. Safe journey.
Mano, wait, bon voyage.
Safe journey.
Safe journey. So here it doesn't mean good journey. Have you ever heard somebody saying that good journey before when somebody traveling? No, we don't say good journey, but the same word. So that is what I've been saying, that a word can be highly polysemic. A word can have several meanings. So bon voyage here is safe journey. Bon anniversaire. Bon anniversaire also means what? What does bon anniversaire mean? Bon anniversaire.
Happy anniversary.
No.
Happy anniversary.
Okay,
Happy anniversary.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. So you can see that here happy. The same spelling of bon. That is the point I wanted to do. So here is happy, here is safe, here is good. And then we have Bon Pâques. Bon Pâques 2, we saw that is happy. Bon Pâques, cela veut dire quoi? We saw it. I'm forgetting. Bon Pâques. Hello, class. Hello. Bon Pâques.
Bon appétit.
Bon Pâques veut dire happy Easter. That is what we are about to celebrate.
Yeah.
Observe Easter festivity. Bon Pâques can refer to the slides on salutation et souhait. We did that about 2 weeks ago or so. So go through. Just asking you right now, Bon Pâques, which means some of you have not been learning. Don't forget to, what does your motto say? Class, what does
Knowledge
your
comes from
university motto say? What does it say?
Knowledge comes from learning.
Knowledge comes from learning. So learn to know. 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 If you don't learn, you will never know. Bon. Et finalement, bon appétit. Have a bon appétit. Everybody should know. Bon appétit. Bon appétit. Cela veut dire quoi? So here.
Appetite.
Again.
Good appetite.
Good appetite. When somebody is eating and you see the person, will you say good appetite?
No.
What will you say?
Enjoy your meal.
Enjoy your meal or have a nice meal. What they said, bon appetit. So when I give it to you to translate one day, when I give you this question in English, enjoy your meal or have a nice meal, you should write this for me. Bon appétit. Il faut comprendre ça bien. C'est ça. Il faut comprendre ça bien. Avez-vous des questions sur ça? Si vous avez des questions, vous pouvez poser. Avez-vous des questions? If you have questions on this, you can ask. If you have questions on this, you can ask, please. Si vous avez des questions, vous pouvez poser. Pas de questions? Marc?
Non, monsieur. Non, monsieur.
OK, pas de questions. Si vous n'avez